he's not a customer, he's a friend.
Good food here,
yeah,
huh?
nice food, yeah.
Yeah?
For real. Yeah, we like it.
You like it? What do they serve you here?
They serve oxtail, they serve rice and peas, chicken.
Restaurant.
No, it's not a restaurant.
What is it?
It's just a little backyard.
It's for free.
No.
Guys, before we get into the video, I want to welcome you back if this is not your first time watching. And guys, a lot of you watch the videos and most of you don't subscribe. What are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe before you leave the channel to get more videos like these. You know, this is a reaction channel and every day we get new subscribers on here, so I have to tell like the new people who subscribe or the new people who watch that this is a reaction channel. We actually react to the news. We don't fight, we don't argue, we are a respectful channel. So guys, now may I get into the video. And this is, me tell you, people might think say America is paved with gold, but America is tough. Now we're going to talk about this woman who have this big Jamaican restaurant and then things go bad. But she da America, so she still have to hustle. You can't sit down when you're in America because a lot of people in America is just one paycheck from losing them home, from end up and in welfare. And may I tell you, this woman determines to listen, business fail, but me nah sit down. So she go to bed one night and she think of what she can do to survive. And she come up with a plan. And you know it was working. It was working fine for a while. Because the woman cook good, may I tell you, the woman cook good. But the poor woman in a trouble right now. Now, folks, have you ever noticed how some neighborhoods have that one house, you know, the one with the curious business going on? Like it's not quite a restaurant, it's not quite a house, but somehow it's serving up the best secret menu in town. I mean, I've seen some shady stuff, but this one take the cake, literally. Imagine living next door to a house restaurant. Not a restaurant, you know, a house restaurant. Yep, a house that basically running like a restaurant, but without all the fancy stuff. No health inspection, no permits, just a backyard full of propane tanks and a makeshift kitchen. Honestly, it's like if Breaking Bad opened a Jamaican jerk stand, but instead of Walter White, you got Martelli, the culinary outlaw. And the neighbors, they just watch this go down like it's Netflix series. Yeah, I smell bad food. Probably the secret ingredient that makes this place so special. You know, I get it. Nothing says home sweet home like a backyard serving up army and rice and peace chicken. Sounds more like a military operation than a meal. And here where this woman has said now, and you can't blame her because nobody want them things that happen at them neighborhood. Listen to what this woman has said. And believe me, trust me, it's a serious business. But you going to make you laugh.
It could be in the morning, early morning. It could be around this time. It could be at night.
So it's constant. There are constantly people.
Constant, a big truck coming to bring her food.
Like delivery.
The garbage.
There's also the guy arriving. Not a customer. No, just a friend. Because nothing says friendship like arriving at a backyard kitchen with a truckload of propane and a suspiciously large fan. Like I've seen movie scenes where they hiding something in a real basement. But in Miami Gardens, they're hiding a whole restaurant in a backyard shed. And get this, the city says, we have checked, no complaints. That's like going to a haunted house And the manager says, no, ghost, no ghost here. Just some friendly spirits. Sure, buddy. Just like this backyard's just a little Jamaican eatery. No big deal. Honestly, if I lived next door, I'd be bringing my own takeout just to avoid the risk of my house turning into a barbecue zone. But you have got to admire the hustle. Quick. Think about the entrepreneurial spirit. Who needs a storefront when you have got a backyard, a few propane tanks, and some secret recipes? The real question is, when the fire marshals shows up, are they going to find Jamaican jerk chicken or just a backyard bonfire? Either way, I'd call that a flame grilled neighborhood. So folks, next time you get a house with a line of cars, just remember it's just the hottest new street food spot, legally or not. And I'm telling you, this woman knows how to hustle. I'm gonna let you know hear more. Oh no, no, go believe. But things hard and all these little spots, business spots, illegal, popping up everywhere. But the only hope say the people them who it a pop up with have their green card. Because if they don't, they're going to end up right back a yard and start cook a river. So, legal or not, and I say, leave it to Miami Gardens to turn backyard barbecue into full-blown business models. That's Miami for you, where a lot of Jamaicans live, where the only thing hotter than the weather is the illegal Jamaican jerk stand next door. Guys, thanks for watching. Kindly make sure you subscribe, you like the video and share. And guys, before you go, watch the rest of the video, and I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.
We spent several hours here and watched as person after person pulled up, walked into or around the side of the home, and left carrying food to go. In back.